Hi, today I'm going to show you how we can reshape an array in MATLAB or Octave. Assume we have an array and for any reason we want to reshape it. Here, assume I have an array A. It's a 4 by 3 and I want to reshape it to the new shape. So if I just run this, come here, see that this is the array I have. So if I open that, it's going to be the you'll see the 4 by 3. So that's the array that I have. So for any reason, if I want to reshape that, I can go ahead. For example, let's say I want the array B is equal to reshape, and then the array A, and then the new shape. So assume I want to change it to, for example, 6 by 2. One thing that you have to remember is that, for example, here our array has 12 elements. So whatever new array we have should have the same number of elements. So it should have the 12 elements as well. So I can here assume I want to change it. Instead of having the 4 by 3, it's going to be 2 and 6. So like that. And if I run this line, so go ahead and run this line. And here, if I click on the B, you will see that the B is 2 by 6 right now. So it changed it to 2 by 6. So I can change, put a new dimension here. One thing is that sometimes we want to change the array, especially if we have the large array. We can put the exact dimension here, but if we don't want to calculate the second dimension here, instead of 6, I could have put this, and then it's gonna calculate it by putting this here. We are telling the MATLAB that you automatically calculate that dimension for me. So for example, here, if I, instead of writing that, I'm gonna write it like that. And so I'm telling MATLAB reshape the array A, and I want to have the 2 column, but you calculate the number of row I need. So if I go ahead and run this line, and here you will see it becomes 6 by 2. So if I go to variable viewer, so you see now it's 6 by 2. So the MATLAB automatically calculate this number of element that I want. One thing is that sometimes I have the shape that I want to make. It's 2D, 3D, or whatever dimension I want to make it 1D. The easiest way is that you go ahead and reshape. Sorry, not reshape. Just put the A and then semicolon. So like the column like that. So if by doing that, it's gonna reshape the A to 1D. So here, if I run this one, and you will see if I open the C, you see the C becomes a 1D array. So if I have any array I just want to reshape it to 1D, that's the easiest way to do that. The other thing is that here, so here I add only 2 dimensions, but if I want, I can more dimension to that, as long as the number of elements stay the same. So assume I want to make it 3D. So if I go ahead and run this line, right, you will see that it's gonna no, here it doesn't show it because it doesn't show the one, but it's gonna make it 3D. So if I wanted to make it 3D, I can do it like that. So let's, for example, 3 by 2 by 2. So this should work. So let's run it again. So you see, it's going to be 3 by 2 by 2. So I can add any number of dimensions, the first dimension, second dimension, third dimension, as long as the number of elements I have is equal to the number of elements in the original array.